Hello there designers. Today we are going to design this part. So let's get started. Go to SolidWorks, Ctrl plus N, select part, OK. Go to front plane, sketch, and I will take line here. Just draw a random sketch. I am making it construction geometry, a vertical line, and then following through a horizontal line and a vertical and a horizontal. Okay, I am just drawing a random sketch. So just copy this one. As we are making it from front plane, we can extrude it. So we may reduce some steps instead of doing 3-4 boss extrudes, etc. Yes. For selecting these arcs, just go to this below point again, so you can select the arc. Now we have completed this sketch. Give some dimensions here. It will be 7.5 mm, and this line it is 12.5 mm, and okay, this line it will be, and from this point it will be 10 mm. We need to give dimensions such that it is accurate. Make these 2 points, this point and this point, make them vertical. Say this point, no, this line to this line and this line. These 4 lines, make them equal. Drag this one, and smart dimension it will be 5 mm. So all will come 5 mm as it is. From this point to this point, this length will be 5 mm. It constrained automatically, and from this point to this point it is 5 mm vertically, and also horizontally this point to this point it is automatically taken 5 mm, because when I have drawn I have made it the relation. So from this point I'll be going to select this one. Just give some relation, this line to this line it is collinear. For giving relations, use control key. For smart dimension, from this line to origin point it will be 50 mm, and this line it will take as 20, so we will give round fillet there. This angle will be 111.8 degrees, and this line, the distance of this line, the length is 16.82 mm. This arc length we will give it as 15 mm, and this arc length as it is 26 mm, and this line length it will be 6 mm, because from other side it has given 12 mm. So from top line to this line it will be 40 mm. Now we have a fully defined sketch. So let's mirror this one. Let's hide these dimensions here, otherwise it will be some nasty. Keep the dimensions in beautiful manner. Let's say this like here. Okay, now we can see every dimensions. Let's mirror it. Select all these. Okay, mirror about this construction geometry line. Yes, now we have a required sketch. Let's extrude this one. Go to features, extruded boss base, and distance is 40 mm up to mid plane, from mid plane. Okay, now we have our sketch as 3D part. Let's go to fillet here, select round fillet there, and select these faces. Select this accordingly. Okay, we have done a round fillet here. As it is in other side, this one and this face, again this face. Okay, if we say tick, see, we will get round fillet again, and that arc will be 20 mm. You don't need to bother about it. So from right plane, let's draw a sketch. Okay, not from right plane, from front plane. Sketch, Ctrl+8. Let's draw a sketch. Select a line and make a vertical line anywhere. Just make it construction geometry, and smart dimension it will be 5 mm. So make this point and this line will be coincide, and this line and this point they will also be coincide. Okay, now we need to give some arc here. I have selected a 3-point arc and giving an arc. Okay, let's select line, horizontal line from this point to go over origin point. Right click, select this point and this origin point, make it vertical, and this arc to line make it tangent relation. Go to it here, make sure relations, this arc to this line, make it tangent. Okay, but this is not constrained because we haven't gave any dimensions here, and make these two also tangent, and this arc will be 16 mm. So it will be constrained now. Let's mirror it. Mirror this image, mirror entities, select this arc and that line, and mirror about right plane. Okay, now we will get a right plane mirrored. Okay, exit the sketch. Now we need to draw another sketch on right plane. Okay, we are drawing these two sketches to loft this one. So make a rectangle here. I have taken corner rectangle. So let's give some dimensions, and for relation make origin point and this midpoint vertical. Give the dimensions as follows. This will be 10 mm, and the length of this one will be 20 mm. Select, and we need to give a pierce relation here. Select this, go drag this upwards so we can see more clearly. Select this center point, yes, and this line, make the relation pierce. Use control key there, control plus point, control plus line. Exit the sketch. Now let's go to swept cut, and in swept cut it has already selected the sketch, and select sketch 3. Okay, now we need to select this from mid, and we will get the cut either ways. Okay, see, we have created the sketch of cut, and let's select the sketch, this face and the sketch, Ctrl+8. Let's make there a circle, two circles, one circle and two circles from origin. give some dimensions. This circle will be of diameter, it will be 5 mm, and this outer circle of diameter, it will be 10 mm. Let's extrude this one, extrude cut, make features, extruded cut. We will also be using hole if needed, but there is no any cosmetic thread or something, so we don't usually use that one. Selected contours, select this outer sketch, outer circle, and make the dimension 5 mm to cut. Okay, and select this arrow mark and that sketch again, extruded cut. Now in selected contours, delete this selection and select this face, and the dimension will be of not 5, it is 10. Okay, see, in this way we will be creating 2 extruded cuts with one sketch. Okay, Ctrl+7, sketch this face, Ctrl+8, go to circles again, draw a circle here and opposite side also, because we have 2 circles, and this there a line, make it construction geometry, give some relations. Now this point, this reference line and this point, make them symmetric, and this point, origin point, and another circle point, make them horizontal, and this arc of this circle and arc of this circle, make them equal. Okay, now give smart dimensions, it will be of 10 mm, and the distance between this center point and this outermost point, this point and the center point, this distance will be of 10 mm, because the center point. We will also give coincentric, but not this time, no coincentric relation here. No boss extrude into this one, we need to give extruded cut here. Okay, 10 mm line. Okay, we just need 10 mm tick. See, we have created that complicated sketch in easy manner. Let's give some appearances. In appearances, I will give, let's give a material now, edit material. First let us give some material. I am giving it brass, so select here copper alloys, brass, apply, close. Now give some appearance. I will be giving metal brass. Which one? Blessed brass, it is too light, it's too dark. Okay, let's select this one only. Let's go to scenes. I will be selecting basic scenes. In basic scenes, drop to bottom, backdrop studio 2. Okay, let's give some color here. Color, I will be selecting some purple maybe. Yes. Okay, stay tuned for next video. In next video I'll be going to design a nail cutter. Thank you, bye bye, see you.